Ribbon Dip Joe here today with some prismatic. Got this one out of the vending machine. Let's see if we can get lucky. First we rip, then we dip. Let's go. Back one. When I was getting this from the machine today, somebody else came up behind me and they'd been camping. I saw them just waiting. I did my own shopping, came back, checked, and they were just still there, just camping. And luckily I got something, but how do we all feel about that? Cool Embryon, still got a dip. Prismatic, I might be dipping a lot. Oh, back two. So yeah, what is the consensus from everyone? Like, is that a normal thing? Is camping okay? Little Pokeball? Nothing, Sylveon. I think I'm gonna have to do 3 today and 3 tomorrow. I'm just slobbery. Sour really gets me going. Oh. Pack 3. So I'd really like to just know what is the consensus? Is camping okay in front of the vending machines? Frowned upon? You guys let me know. Let me know if your prismatic hits are this bad as well. Last one for today. I'm gonna be done after this. 3 misses, 3 dips. Ribbon Dip Joe out.